everyone. It's good to have you all on board. Time with Tutorial, the class of tutorial. And in today's revision, it happens to be the revision for the course ACC204. Basically, it's the last revision we have on the course for the semester, and now things have been done. Questions are written on the whiteboard. The students are expected to provide answers to these questions. For those of us who haven't gotten the keynote of the course, let's ensure to request the keynote after this class. And for those of us that might be interested in becoming a member of our private class as it is forthcoming semester, let's ensure to also reach out to us on www.tutorial.net, our official website, and use the WhatsApp button on the top right hand corner to send us a direct message. This being said, let's update this class. Okay, so we have ACC. Okay, 204. Good evening, everyone. It's good to have you on board. Now we have our first question. Just a moment. Our very first question for tonight. Okay, it says here, dash is a chronological record of the transaction of a business entity. Dash is a chronological record. A chronological record of the transaction of a business entity. Wonderful. We have dash is a chronological record of the transactions of a business entity. Dash is a chronological record of the transaction of a business entity. Awesome. We have that as journal. Journal. Yes. Now, question 2. Journal is a form of dash that is used to record transactions before they are posted to related ledgers. Journal. The journal is a form of dash. Okay? A form of dash that is used to record transactions. Before, okay, record transactions before they are posted to the related journals. Before they are posted to the related ledgers. Before they are posted to the related ledgers. Okay, so we have that. Wonderful. We have diary. Now let's take this. There are dash basic types of journals. There are there are dash basic types of journal. There are dash basic types of journal. Wonderful. There are two, yes, two basic types of journal. Question 4. It says a dash is a list of ledger balances. Is a list of ledger balances. A dash is a list of ledger balances. Thank you for that detail, Mr. HND. Okay, wonderful. We have a trial balance. Okay, a trial balance is a list of ledger balances. Question 5. The trial balance is one of the simplest exercises to perform in the dash process. Trial balance is one of the simplest, okay, exercise to perform in the dash process. In the dash process. Trial balance is one of the simplest exercise to perform in the dash process. Okay, yes, we have bookkeeping. Wonderful. So let's just abbreviate that to BK, bookkeeping. Question 6. Now, the trial balance helps to ascertain the arithmetical dash of the ledger balances. The trial balance helps to ascertain Ascertain the arithmetic. Arithmetical arithmetical dash of the ledger balances arithmetical dash. Yes, arithmetical correctness. Wonderful. Arithmetical correctness. Arithmetical correctness. Yes, arithmetical correctness of the ledger balances. Let's see if we can squeeze in one more question before we raise the board. Now it says here, when error occurs, the total on the debit side and the total on the credit side will be dashed. When an error occurs, the total, all right, on the debit and credit side of the trial balance will be, all right, will be total on the debit and credit side of the trial balance will be dash. Okay, will be dash. Unequal. Awesome. Unequal. Yes. So let's erase the board and we can so that we can take more questions. Okay. Now, like I said earlier, for those of us who haven't gotten the keynote to the course yet, let's ensure to request immediately after this class. Highly essential, use the keynote in preparing for your exams. And for those who might be interested in becoming a member the forthcoming semester, you are to reach out to Tutor.io on the official website. The use of suspense account arises when the trial balance fails to dash. That should be question 8. The use of trial balance, the use of suspense account, suspense account arises the trial balance fails to dash. Fails to dash. Yes, fails to balance. Okay, question 9. 9 says trademark, patent right, rent. So which among these three is not an asset? Okay, okay. Also, yes, we have rent. Thank you very much for that. Question 11. It says a transaction. Oh, wonderful. I so much love this question. Reminds me of those days in the Polytechnic. Very, very interesting. This is one of the question. This is the issue you have when you are trying to solve double colon. All right. When you're trying to solve double colon, no, not even double. Double is just bank and cash. For single colon, you have just cash, no bank. All right. So when we're talking about this answer, we're talking about three column cash book. That's what set the three column cash book different from the other types of cash books. So now it says here, a transaction between cash and bank is called dash entry. Between cash and bank is called dash entry. A transaction between cash and bank is called dash entry. Wonderful. Contra. It's called contra. Contra entry. Question 12. Question 12 says, if a good sold to Amaka was not posted, this is called error of dash. If a good, all right, if a sales of goods sold to Amaka was not posted, this is an error of dash. An error of dash. Yes, an error of omission. An error of omission. Now, we are taking the last set of questions as we wrap it up for today. Call it a wrap. It says, FIFO is an acronym for dash. FIFO. And we have LIFO. we have first in dash out, and we have last in dash out. Okay. Also, we have first in, first out, and for number 14, what do we have? Okay. Also, last in, first out. LIFO, FIFO. LIFO, FIFO. Okay, let's continue. Question 15. It says, journals are broadly classified into specific and dash. Journals are broadly classified into specific and dash. Journals are broadly classified into specific and dash. Yes, specific and general. So the last question, okay, it says, all right, now let's take this. Okay, now dash debts are otherwise known as irrecoverable. Dash debts are otherwise seen as irrecoverable. Irrecoverable debts. Dash debts are otherwise known as or seen as irrecoverable debts. So we call it a wrap here for today. Thank you very much, everyone. It's been a wonderful time. I wish you all the best and success in your exam tomorrow. For those of us who haven't joined the private class, all right, I mean, for those of us who haven't gotten the exam finished of the course, let's ensure to request after this class. And as against next semester, I want to encourage each and every one of us to try as early as possible to join the private class so we can start taking the classes early. Doing that will cover a lot of courses and have enough time to go back and forth just to posing, all right, accepting these courses. How do you become a member of the private class? All you need to do is just to visit our official website today, www.tutorio.net, and find the WhatsApp button on the top right hand corner. The WhatsApp button is located at the